Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you.
Hello, my beautiful... Wait.
Sorry guys, that's what I say.
You were asleep at the wheel up here.
Hey, I didn't know we were starting.
She's up there just bopping her head to music.
Oh yeah. Hello, our beautiful people.
And there go my eardrums.
Well, you know what? You do have a volume control in that car though.
There's no volume control in your voice, sweetheart.
Oh, right. Well, anyway, guys, we are going to a bike night. Yay!
Yay!
But actually, tonight it's country day. I got my shaking the boots on.
She's got that cowboy hat.
All right. I got my cowgirl boots on, you know. Hey! So it's line dancing night. All my country folks out there, you're in for a ride.
I should stick around to find out.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be pretty cool. Either way, you're going to see girls line dancing, so if that ain't enough for you, then I don't know what is. So, it's getting chilly, guys.
October in New York is a whole new animal. The sweatshirts, the jackets, everything is a must.
But it's an actually really beautiful sight to see all the leaves starting to turn colors. And
Oh no, she's a leaper. She's a leaper.
Yo, Matty, check out those colors. Yellow like a taxi, orange like the ball at the Knicks game, and red like the sauce on my Mamma Mia's Gugats.
Papa Jim's up there getting it on the road glide special. Guys, I've been riding the dyno a lot lately. To be honest, I haven't rode this Harley Night Train in a while. It's kind of strange to be riding with forward controls again.
alright guys, so see all this here? This is a hemp field, and all you smell is, well, what can I say it? All you smell is hemp.
For those of you guys that are new to the channel, Tanya's on a 2007 Night Train, I'm on a 2001 Night Train, and we're riding with my dad tonight who has this 2018 Road Glide Special. We've done a couple videos on that. We've done a ton of videos on these, so you guys should definitely check out our other channels.
For sure.
I think you should line up, do it, race.
What?
I think you should race. No, don't do it. We're going through some farmlands now on our steel horses.
Had his lights on.
Yeah, the guy with the tractor was just staring at us and like, oh, I want to be doing that. That's what he looked like. Poor guy. Whoa, you almost hit that pole with our GoPro.
Do you say I'm crooked?
You were crooked, yeah. Aww. Lindsay's cold.
I did not think that through. The lowers, without the lowers, it's so unfolded.
It's a performance bagger now, okay? You get a lot of wind there in those little leggies, right? took it. I took it to work on lunch, and I was like, "Wow, that's a huge."
How you guys doing? How's your ride?
Cold.
A little chilly. It was actually, at first it was, but then I acclimated, yeah.
Came up on that hill, we both went, woo! Just like that at the same time.
Well, you're a t-shirt. What are you doing?
We didn't realize that boat.
Leaving the house, it was hot. Did you bring a jacket at least?
I brought a sweater. I'll be fine.
No, for him. Did you bring?
No.
I'm not worried about it.
Maybe you should wear these extra gloves. My hands are starting to get sweaty.
Oh, I brought a sweater. I'll be fine with the sweatshirt. Oh my God, our 4 helmets, Tanya.
Yeah, but yours are down.
All right, Tanya. That's it.
That's it. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hope you guys enjoyed the night. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. I don't know, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Subscribe down below.
See you in the
As
next
always,
one. Thanks for watching.
stay tuned for the next one.